missed you so much. I missed you so much.
Okay.
You wanna go bye-bye? You wanna go bye-bye? Come on, come on.
Look
Let's go
how
bye-bye.
happy
You
he
can sit
is.
in front with Mommy. Come here, come here, come here.
When you get the next crate ready, holler, and I'll... Whoa, you can get them all in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we've had to do it.
Okay.
Get in, come on, come on, come on, come on, jump in. Come here, sweetheart.
He's scared to death.
What's wrong? Brody, come here.
You like the shelter?
Brody.
You should go, boy.
Brody, are you mad at me? Honey, don't be mad at me. I didn't do it. Oh, my.
She's got that thing on his eye.
Hey, can you give me a high five? Give me a high five. Brody, give me a high five. High five.
Oh,
Give
good
me a high
boy.
five. Yeah, that's a good boy.
That's a good boy.
Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug?
You're gonna have to close that
Can you
other
give me
door.
a hug?
though.
Can you give me
Yeah.
a hug? Oh. Brody, come on, come on, it's okay. Come on, you know the van. Oh, look, nice soft seat for you.
He's like, yes.
Okay, so
yeah.
you want a couple of the littles?
Yeah.
I'm gonna close this. I just don't want him jumping out.
You come back this way.
Can I have my leash and I'll go get some more dog sticks?
You stay right there, baby, okay? It's okay, baby. You just stay right there and hide. Did you get that?
Yeah, I got Birdie. We're not gonna be able to do very much more.